Is that the American Girl ones you wanted?
Oh my gosh! So nice.
And the pants.
Pants.
Well, that strange woman moved Elise right up to the mountain. Well, you see, that mountain is the home of the awful, the terrible.
2 pajamas for both your girls. So all 3 of y'all match.
Everybody bash. Everybody bash. Everybody bash.
You're welcome.
I told mommy to buy it.
She did. Hey guys, Merry Christmas Eve. I recorded earlier, so you saw Sophia opening up her Christmas pajamas that she got. Do you want to show them?
Yes.
She got her Christmas pajamas that she wanted so she can match with her dollies. So we are actually about to make some
Cookies for Santa's reindeers, and I love the best one that I love is Rudolph.
She loves Rudolph. So we're gonna make some cookies for Santa.
Because the red-nosed reindeer.
But we are going to put some fruit out for the reindeers because we forgot to buy carrots yesterday. I forgot to buy carrots yesterday at the supermarket. So we are gonna make some cookies, sugar cookies, and let me show you guys what I got.
So first she got these sprinkles, different types of sprinkles, so we can put on our cookies.
And I found this at Target. It was the last one. I got some Christmas cookie cutters that I got from Amazon. What's that? Oh,
And
I got these cookies to go, these little candies to go on the cookies.
And Mommy got these.
Red and green icing.
Yes. We
Got some green sprinkles. And we got the sugar cookie mix.
I got these would be so good.
So I think we need an egg bug. Yeah, we gotta get an egg.
Eggs.
So ask for one thing of this and egg. So we gotta do it over there at the mixer though. everybody. Merry Christmas. So we are back. Sophia did finish her cookies for Santa. So Santa got to eat the rest of the cookies and stuff. But he did come. Santa did come, you guys. So, I mean, it was just so much stuff that I just could not pull out the camera to film it. But Santa came. And the living room is packed, so let me show you guys everything, how it looks. Alright, so this is everything out and put together. That's the living room set. This is the bed that I didn't show in her what I got her for Christmas video because it was still in the box. There is the scoop all put together, so she's going to be super excited about that. So there's all her American Girl things. My boyfriend bought her this car. I don't think I showed this, but he did buy her this car for her dolls. This is from our generation. So Christmas is gonna be amazing this year for Sophia. And I can't wait for her to see everything. I am about to head on to bed. Use the bathroom and head to bed, and I will see you guys in the morning when Sophia wakes up for Santa.
Hey guys.
So it's Christmas morning.
And Merry Christmas to you guys too.
Yeah, Merry Christmas. And we think Santa came already.
Yes.
We're trying to wait for Nana.
Yes, we're trying to wait for Nana.
Because TT out there, so we're just trying to wait for Nana.
Yeah.
See if she come on.
Because I'm going to barge her.
So hold the camera. Let me see if Nana. Okay. Are you ready to go see Santa?
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Okay, I really want to close my eyes.
Okay, go ahead.
Can someone help me?
Go ahead, just keep going.
Awesome.
Wow. Did Santa come or what? What? This is crazy wazy. What?
Are you gonna go?
Oh my gosh. Is this American Girl heaven or what?
Did you see your school, your beds?
Is that Courtney's bed? Oh my God, look at that school.
That was the video I was watching with it.
Yeah. And that too.
Did you see a big teddy bear?
He's fluffy.
Oh, this is awesome. See, you got couches?
Dang, and you got a whole car.
Yes. We can also turn on.
That's a cool
It
car.
looks like a real phone, but it's actually not. And he left me a plate.
What's that? The sleepover set? Oh, snap!
The blanket, the smoothie, the socks, these other socks, these cookies, the Uno card,
Oh, snap.
the book, another book, and a plate.
Oh, snap.
Thank you, Santa. And thank you, the other outfit.
Well, put it back in the box, Bug. Until you open it all officially. Christmas is definitely a success. Sophia has been playing and having fun. We about to eat breakfast. I'm gonna attempt to make these Santa looking face waffles. So I'm so happy because she actually is open everything. And she's playing with everything. The big hit is the school. So she's really into the school right now. So I'm gonna use some bananas, some strawberries, I think whipped cream. Gonna make Santa beard. I gave him some little eyeballs and some this watermelon, bananas, and whipped cream.
Bet that cost him a pretty penny, or whoever did it before that slab back
Yo, yeah.
there. Did you still sleep?
No, I did. It worked, dude.
At work.
Yeah.
Whose face is that?
Huh? I didn't even hear him.